Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I have not vlogged in a good long minute. I mean, you'll see the Kansas City vlog, but as for a day in my life, I cannot even remember the last time I did that. So it is Sunday. Andrew and I, well, I'm all ready. Andrew's just getting ready. We're heading to church, and today's gonna be fun because tonight we're gonna celebrate Andrew's new job. So if you don't know about that, I will save the details so that you can go watch my other video, which should be posted before this one. It's a get ready with me life update, and basically I talk about what happened with Andrew's job. So go to that video, watch that, and then this will make more sense. I've been up for a while, just took Walter for a walk. Wally, come here. Come here, buddy. Come. His face is really dirty right now. Hi. You have a dirty face, huh? Look at your little tail wagging. Hi. You're so cute. Took Andrew for a walk, took Walter for a walk, and yeah, we are gonna head out the door a little bit earlier so that we can grab a coffee on our way to church. And then this afternoon, come home, got some work to do. I'm finally going to unbox, which I will film in a different video. This, really excited. I know so many people have already opened theirs. There's all those videos, but I still like to do it in a different video. Also, I have to show you my new shoes that I'm obsessed with. They're almost a month old, but I wear them all the time. Don't mind this wagon. Side note, if you live in a condo where you have to lug groceries up from your garage to, like, your parking garage to your condo, this type of wagon has our recycling in it right now, is the best. So we basically, last night I went grocery shopping, so I bring it up, and then going back to the car today, we will bring it back down and we leave it in our trunk. And honestly, it is amazing because I buy cases of sparkling water at a time, and to go up and down, it's really annoying. Anyways, my shoes. Look at these. Aren't these so cute? They're kind of like a red, like leathery, I guess it's hard to see the color. There we go. Ooh, yes, I absolutely love these. And I wear them with like these frayed. So that's my outfit for today. Definitely need coffee. My voice is finally coming back. It goes in and out. I talk about that in that update video. Anyways, we will see you in a minute. Here we are. Oh, where's my, we have 2 free coffees here.
Hi, may I help you?
Yes, can I get 2 medium coffees black?
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you, 316.
Thank you.
Oh, hi. Thank
2 of those, thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Yep.
What do you want to throw away?
It's okay, we gotta.
Greg's already here. Hi, Greg.
Hello.
Could we welcome him? Yeah? All right, so we have Greg Boyd, author and teaching pastor of Woodland Hills Church in Maine.
We are finito. Oops. Okay, we finished church. It was really, really good. And now we are gonna go to Panera to get a light lunch because we are going to Copacabana, which is like a Fogo de Chao or a Brazilian steakhouse, the all-you-can-eat meat. They have my favorite, what's our favorite thing there? It's Parmesan crusted steak?
I don't know. Yeah, it's crusted, yeah.
It's like, but I feel like every time it's different. One time it was chicken.
No, I think Fogo has the Parmesan crusted chicken.
Oh, yeah. Anyways, we're going there for dinner. So we don't want to eat something too heavy. So we'll go to Panera, maybe get like a soup and sandwich. And yeah. And then we'll head home. I'm actually really starving. Me. Pizza delicious. This is the best turkey cheddar apple. We are home now, and I am going to clean up the FabFitFun unboxing, find a place for all of this stuff, and then maybe do some editing. I don't exactly know. We aren't having dinner till 6 o'clock. What time is it right now?
2:30.
It's 2:30. So maybe get a few things done. The nice thing for us is right now Andrew doesn't start his new job for another week, and I don't have school on Monday. So we can kind of like hang out late on Sundays, which is really nice. Yeah, so I guess I'll just tidy this place up. It is 3:56 and I need a bit of a pick-me-up. So I'm going to make some coffee. Don't mind this wreath here. I finally took down my winter wreath and I put up a spring wreath. Really excited about that. Some coffee, play a game on my computer, because I basically have, I'm not talking to you, Andrew's wearing headphones. I have like an hour before we leave. We're gonna go a bit early because I don't know if I said this, but my hard drive, well, last night my computer, which has 1 terabyte storage, which is a ton, was full. And I realized that during Vlogmas and everything, I actually was saving the files to move onto a hard drive, but I put them in another folder, so I forgot about them. So I had it took 4 hours to move files off my computer. Anyways, moved them onto a hard drive, but then the hard drive filled up. So, also, okay, so I talked about the stresses of whatever in my life update, but I have a ton of breakouts. So if you notice my skin is bad and all my footage, I really think it's just stress. It's starting to get a lot better, but I think it's stress induced. Anyways, part of what was stressful too is when I went to Kansas City, I had brought my camera and I lost an SD card that was about 128 gigs. If you know nothing about this, basically that's a lot of storage. And that had videos on it, and it has disappeared. So the SD card that I'm using right now is small, and I have to constantly like take things off my computer. But my hard drive was full, my SD card, anyway, so we are going a bit early to buy a new hard drive and a new, SD card. Ooh, it's dark. So we will go do that, run to Best Buy, and have dinner. And then the plan is to go bowling. Hopefully we won't be too tired or be in a food coma. So I should probably finish getting ready. I'm gonna do some self-care right now and play The Sims. Sunday. I'm allowed to do it. Okay, Walter, you gotta be good. Don't eat any food. That will kill you. High five. High five. Okay. You look nice.
Thank you.
Ooh, I'm struck my camera. It's so nice that at 5:15, the sun is still out. We got 1 and we got 2. Now we just shop for fun and then dinner. I'm starving. So hungry. So bright. Did you enjoy it? Your hood is like attached inside. Do you want to walk over here? Do you want to go bowling still?
Yeah, I love bowling.
Copa Cabana. Now we're gonna go to Splitsville. That was delicious, but I am absolutely stuffed. Feels like my brains are gonna explode. I'm so full. Excuse me. Okay, so bowling, I like a dum-dum. I didn't book a reservation when I could have. I thought we could just show up and it's an hour and a half wait. And then I called another one, or it's an hour-ish wait, and then the other one's an hour and a half. I'm huffing and puffing because I am so full. Are you full? Did you enjoy it though?
Yeah, it was delicious.
Yeah, it was really good, but I just feel really bad. Maybe we should get dessert on our way home because we're not full enough. Oh, anyways, so we're gonna have to go. We're gonna have to go another time. But the meat did make me tired. Are you tired? Hi, we're home early. Thank you. We're home early. Hello, hello. Are you happy? We're home, yay! It is, oh, focus, focus, focus. It is 10 after 9 and I am exhausted. I'm gonna take off my eyelashes. Oh wow, my eyes look so different. I am going to end the vlog here, wash off my makeup, and go to bed. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video.